Hey guys, how you guys doing? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tina and I'm back with a Sephora haul. I want to thank you guys that just clicked this thumbnail for the first time. Welcome to my channel. This is a lovely space of beauty, lifestyle, and perfumes. If that is your juice, you know what to do. Click that subscribe button so you can watch more videos, and also don't forget to click the post notifications so you can be notified when I do post a fresh new content. For those that are already watching me and already subscribed to me, thank you guys so much for your love and support, and I love you guys for clicking that thumbnail and watching your girl Tina. So now let us get on to the purpose of this video. So today we're going to be talking about my Sephora haul. I purchased a whole bunch of stuff. This is like a purchase that happened within the Black Friday period up to the Sephora savings event and up to the other Sephora savings event that happened where it was 20% off. Remember that there was a 15% off the first time for VIB members. I had that one. Now I have the 20%, and I'm probably going to hit the fragrance event as well, which is 20% off a full-size fragrance. Your girl cannot keep her wallet intact. But today we're going to be talking about some of the goodies I snagged, and you know, we're just going to go through them. I do have parts of the video where I will pop up showing you guys how I apply the product, but if you guys want to see more detailed reviews on these items, or you want to see a full-on in-depth full-on face makeup tutorial on this look, actually I already filmed it, so I probably will put it out anyway. Let me know down in the comment section down below, and let us go on and dive in. I love Glow Recipe, and I got the mini set of what I ordered when I actually had my birthday. I picked the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow BHA Pore-tight toner and the Niacinamide dew drops. They came in a little mini set, so I went ahead and picked up the full size bottles. They look just like this. I'm just going to open it so you guys can see. Nothing major, just the full size of what I'm already using. I love this product. This product is amazing, and that's why I went ahead and picked up the full size. And this is the full size of the Watermelon Glow Niacinamide dew drops. This is amazing under makeup. When you wear this before makeup, it really makes your skin look glowy. It does have a little bit of sparkle to it, but the sparkle doesn't show so much on the skin. This is how the bottle looks like right now. Glow Recipe has been doing great skincare, and I've been like an avid supporter. I've gotten so many things from them, full-size products, and I'm enjoying them right now. Another thing I got, you guys can see it on my face, my eyelids, is the new Huda Beauty Pretty Grunge palette. This palette has been on my radar. I've been looking at it when it first popped up on Sephora, and I was thinking what I should get it. It just looked basic to me, like a basic neutral palette, but when I got it, it is not really basic. It has a lot of cool tone colors, and the shimmers are fantastic and phenomenal. I have this eye look on my eye. The reason that I got attracted to this palette is because the cool tones were more purple toned undertone, and you guys know I'm a fan of purple. Anything purple is like the bee's knees for me. If you look at my background, you can know I love purple. If I could have made this light purple, it would have been like the best thing ever. But what happened is when I was fixing the LED lights, I think some of the wiring got crossed, and somehow it changed the color to red, which is not really what I wanted. Besides the point, before I go on a tangent, this palette is amazing. I have it on my eyelids. I haven't used all the colors, but I have used Brave, I've used Nirvana and Maverick and Rebel, and I use Grunge as a base for Rebel. It is beautiful. It performs. It blends like a dream. It is outstanding. Another outstanding release from Huda Beauty. I have almost all the palettes. The palettes that I don't have are the ones that didn't interest me. The one before it was pretty damn neutral, and it looked like the Naughty palette that I already have. So that's why I didn't get it. I didn't feel the need to have it in my collection. If you guys want to see an updated eyeshadow palette collection, because I tell you, I've added like almost 100 different palettes, and it's ridiculous. I just need to declutter my life at this point. declutter my perfumes, my clothes, my everything. Like, I just got too much damn shit. The next thing I got is the One Size Until Dawn Mattifying Waterproof Setting Spray. This setting spray has been on my radar. Every time I try to get it, it was always out of stock. And I heard the amazing reviews on this. This product came out with some issues where people were spraying white on their face, and I think they fixed it. It was like a bad batch, so that was the issue. And I support Patrick Starr, so I have a lot of his products, so I didn't mind still getting it. I think it's fine now, but I heard that this stuff keeps your makeup in check, keeps it locked in all day, and if you try to rub it off, it literally will not come off. The thing is that I'm so stupid. When I filmed this video, I should have used this to set my face. But you know what? Be there on camera. Let's do it now, because I want to see how this actually works. I want to test spray it and make sure it's not coming out white or anything. No, it's not. So we're going to spray. I don't know. It doesn't come out like, I don't know what it's supposed to do, but I don't feel it on my skin. I don't know if that's what it's supposed to do. It's supposed to feel like that, but it comes out like hairspray. So we'll see. And then I got the Daness Myricks Yummy Skin. This is the Blurring Balm Powder. It's for face and eyes. I have used this already. This is amazing. It looks like it's a little dark, but when I put it on, it actually blends perfectly. This was the closest match I could get. The darker one would have been more darker. The lighter one would have been too light. So 7 is my shade, and I love it for under foundation or on its own. On its own, what I did is I set it with a powder because it tends to make you look like a grease ball. I use the MAC Blur Set powder. I use this powder to set it, and it's amazing. People don't know that I have makeup on, which is fantastic because I really don't want to wear beauty products that make it look like makeup or kicky on my skin. Speaking of skin, I did get 2 foundations that I've been eyeballing. I got the Glossier, this is the Stretch Fluid Foundation in Medium Tan 3. This is how it looks like. Really, really pretty. It is really great on the skin. I wore it once and, like, guys, it feels like skin and I love it. And then I also got the Haus Labs Triclone Tech Skin Foundation in Medium Neutral 370. This one as well is amazing. The best foundation I've ever tried that didn't feel like make foundation. It literally feels like you have nothing on, and it's full coverage. Like, if you have all the imperfections in the world, it will clean it up. We got Dior blush. This is the Dior Rosy Glow Blush in Cherry. Ooh, guys, this, guys, is the most expensive blush I ever purchased, and I can't believe I just blew 40 bucks on this shenanigans. It's what I'm wearing right now. I don't think you can see it because I kind of overloaded on the highlighter and it kind of looks like it's covering it, but I do have it on. It's super pigmented and yeah, really, really great. I actually forgot to include this part of my foundation. This is the Fenty Beauty Blur and Smooth Tint Stick, and this is an 18. This is a little bit dark for me, but when I put it on and I blend it and I put on my eye highlighter and everything, it kind of seems to blend in and it kind of makes it, you know, more wearable. It is supposed to be a tinted stick, but it looks more like a medium coverage foundation, and it blurs my skin too, so I love it. I love the concept. I'll keep wearing it, but if you guys want separate reviews on these, just let me know. I'm kind of giving you like a mini review in them so you guys can kind of get the gist. This one is a Haus Labs concealer. This is a lighter than my skin. I purposely got it for highlighting purposes. I am wearing it today. Guys, this is the best concealer I've ever tried. From all the brands across the board, this is the best concealer. I've never seen a concealer that filled out my lines and made it seem like I ain't got no lines. I'm looking at it right now, no line. It is a really great concealer. I love it so much. I will keep repurchasing it forever and ever and ever. Now, speaking of one of my downfall concealers that I really had high hopes for, this is the Makeup Forever HD Skin Concealer, and the shade I got is in 3.5 yellow. This is specifically for uber highlighting. So I would not be using this as my main staple highlighter because I do not like the texture of this concealer. It is a little too watery for my liking. When you blend it out, it looks like your beauty blender is taking off more concealer than it should. And I feel like I'm wasting product. This one is really great. It's thick and it's full coverage. And the shade in this one is 34 medium golden for those that are interested or in the similar skin tone like that. So I did something weird, okay? So I ordered 2 blushes that were the same color and didn't realize it till later on. But I haven't opened this one. I am gonna be returning this to Sephora because look, I do have the blush right here. So I'm not even gonna bother opening this one because I'm returning it. It's the same dang on brush, but that's what happens when you purchase shit all the time and you don't look to see if you are purchasing the same color or a different color. This one is called Crush on You. This is from Give Beauty, Gwen Stefani's makeup brand. This has 2 blushes in there, one that looks a little peachy and a little rosy color at the top. I love this one, and I would have put it on today had I thought about it, because I was trying to do a video featuring some of the Sephora items that I brought, but I forgot to put that on, and and I forgot to put on the contour powder. Matter of fact, I might just put this on, but whatever. I forgot to put on the contour powder. So this has a contour cream and a contour powder. This is called the Pick Me Up Cream Contour and Bronzer Duo in Heat Wave. This one I think would have been a great addition. This is like my skin tone. So I wish I had seen this. I haven't worn it yet. You guys can obviously tell. So probably in another video I'll pull that out and wear it and see how I feel. But that's what I got from Give. I forgot one more Glow Recipe product that I did get. This is the Plum Plump Hyaluronic Gloss Balm. This is supposed to plump and moisturize the lips. So I got this because my lips are horrendously dry. And I'm not trying this now because of course I got a lip product on, but I haven't opened this and I want to just open it and see the consistency. Look how it looks like though. It looks really cute, like a cute color. It feels like it'd be very moisturizing. So I'm probably gonna put this in my purse and wear it so that I can, use it or whatever. And then I got the Pat McGrath's Labs, what is called the Bijoux Brilliance eyeshadow palette. So I was watching, I don't know who it was, Amy Glam or something. She was talking about how much she loved that eyeshadow palette, and I wanted to get it so bad because I wanted to create something smoky or something, or have something that I can travel with. And this is how this one looks like. It is called Bronze Ecstasy. So it's like your neutrals with like 3 sparkly shades and 2 matte shades. So I can't wait to wear this. I think I will wear this in a different, maybe like doing a holiday tutorial. This would be really great to pull out. I got the Fenty Velvet Liquid Lipstick. So I have the red one, which is right here. The red one. I wanted to get the dark lip version of this because I do like the texture of these, even though they're not transfer proof. I love the texture. They're really great texture, and I think they're worth it because of that, because they look really great on the lips. It's just that they're not transfer proof. So if you're looking for transfer proof, this is not the business. Go get you some Maybelline Vinyl. That is transfer proof, and that is not a matte lipstick, but over time it looks matte and it's transfer proof. You can eat anything and that stuff will still be on. I did get the Pat McGrath Skin Fetish Concealer in M20, and I made a mistake because I do have M23, and M23 looks exactly like my skin tone. So I more or less use that as a foundation, and I love the consistency. But then I got M20, and guys, tell me if you can see a difference between the M20 is just slightly lighter. I could probably wear the both as skin shades, like to cover up like scars and whatnot. So I'm gonna go back and repurchase another, try it again, maybe go up another shade. And bear in mind, when you go up shades, you have to make sure you're going up in the skin tone as well. So that's the reason why I jumped to 20, because it was a yellow toned skin tone, but I might have to jump 2 more to get to what I want. This concealer is the Balm.com, and that's why I want another shade that's highlighting so I can get smashed. Now the final product I got from Sephora is the Kayali Yum Pistachio Gelato. And I got this small itty bitty thing because I knew I was not gonna be happy with getting the full size, and I was right. I literally did not want to get the full size because I was just like iffy on the smell. I was thinking that it was not going to smell like what I thought it would. Like, I wanted it to be gourmand, gelato smelling and all that good stuff. It does smell sweet, but it's not gourmand in my opinion. It's more of a perfumey kind of gourmand. This one is beautiful floral pistachio kind of fragrance. Has a little bit of vanilla in there, has a little bit of jasmine, has some kind of heliotrope or some kind of violet powderiness to it. The longevity on this is poor. For it being an intense version of Kayali fragrance, I would expect that the longevity to be high. But if I do see this in Mercari for a little steal price, I might get it just to have it, because I do have a rundown of all my Kayalis, and I am going to be filming the video ranking all of them next. So yeah, this is going to be featured, by the way. That's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for staying tuned to me rambling on about the stuff that I got. If you guys are interested in anything, or you have questions for me, or you have comments about any of the products that I mentioned, please leave me a comment down below. Let us chat down below, girl talk, whatnot. You guys know I love to see you comment down, because then I like to reply. I reply to all my comments. I am not bougie or feel like I can't reply. I reply to everybody because I love all of y'all like sisters and brothers, because you know what, we're fam over here. We treat each other like family. There I go rambling again. Thank you guys again for your love and support. I love you guys, and I will see you in another video. Bye.